Hello everyone, I'm Climbing here and welcome back to NoBiggie, where I free climb relatively small rocks. Today we are back here at Habsrock from the backside at the smaller rock in the back, and today we are going to climb this beautiful rock face, which goes up and then to the right and then all the way to the top. It is called the Grabber and it is right next to one of my favorite trails, the Rookie. It is also one of my favorite trails, and without further ado, let's head right into it. So, first of all, we want to get our feet up this rock. To do that, we just grab on higher with our hands, pull ourselves up to get our feet onto that rock. What we want to do next is find some nice grabbing spots, which is not hard. On this trail, it is literally called the Grabber because there is so many spots to grab on with your hands. So now that we've made it to this spot, we head on to probably the most difficult part of this whole climb, where we need to put our right foot right there and then reach upwards with our right hand until we find a beautiful crack to grab onto. This is sort of sketchy, but don't worry, you need to trust the rock. So when you are tightly grabbed on with the right hand, we can then pull ourselves up to put our left foot onto this big ledge. So what we want to do next is grab with our right hand over here, get our right foot somewhere on this sort of, sorry, I'm gonna re-grab to show you better, onto this ledge, which we are going to go by, and then somewhere over here we are going to climb to the top. So back to the position that we were in, which is like this one. We grab by the top of the rock with our left hand and somewhere over here with our right hand, and then we just sort of shimmy our way by the rock until we get to this point where we can reach again with our right hand to the top to grab by the top of the rock, and then we can just follow up with our left hand and basically hang on to our hands while progressing the wall with our feet, then pushing ourselves up, and we are at the top. So that would be it for today's episode of NoBiggie. I thank you for watching.